Welcome to Evision, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company. Join Evision, join job.
Hello everyone, my name is Kiran. I am from Mumbai, Maharashtra. I have completed my graduation in BSc from Mumbai University. I searched for a job very long time. Then my friend told me about Evision. He suggested me to join Evision. Then I enroll here. In Evision, I had joined job internship on 6 June 2022. So the talking about Evision Techno Service and IT recruitment company. In eVision, I had joined 3 months full day job internship under the guidance of IT manager and administrator. In 3 months training, I have learned different technologies like CCNA, ITIL, cyber security, virtualization, Windows and administration. In CCNA, I have learned different protocol like routing and switching etc. In Windows and administration, I have learned Windows troubleshooting, Outlook troubleshooting, how to join workgroup to domain, etc. In virtualization, I have learned what is virtualization, what is virtual machine, etc. So the talking about eVision, teachers and trainers are very good here. They are very supportive. They provide theory as well as practical knowledge of each and every topic, and end of the session they provide mock interviews so that we can improve our confidence. I got placed in WIPRO with salary package 2.64 LPA. So I just want to thank eVision. Thank you so much.